How to play Roblox on Chromebook Web Store. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be discussing about playing the Roblox application on Chromebook Web Store. So if you can't access the Roblox website or download the Roblox on your Chromebook, consider visiting the Chromebook Web Store. Simply go ahead and open a new tab in your computer. Then after, type in Chrome Web Store and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites from where you need to click on Chrome Web Store option, the initial one. And as soon as you click on it, you will come across the Chrome Web Store where you can find different extensions over here. Now in the top right corner of the screen, there is a search bar that says search extension and themes. Just simply type in Roblox and hit enter. So here you can see a lot of extensions available. Most are meant to enhance your experience, not directly play the game. Currently, the only way to play Roblox is by downloading it from roblox.com, the official website, and playing Roblox without downloading is not possible. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.